Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. This is just a quick little, as you can see, it might actually even be real time. This didn't take me that long, but I really wanted to make a video on it. But this is a commission for my friend Dizzywreck on Twitch. He streams, and yeah, he just wanted some emotes, and he wanted a Dizzy one, just because that's kind of his namesake, I guess, and one that's kind of like that Pikachu picture that's like... It's like a blurry picture of Pikachu with the stupidest face ever. So I did that, and then the third one, as of right now, I haven't actually completed it, but I'm assuming, I think I'll stick it in here. I don't know. There's probably going to be a third emote in here, but he wanted like a smug one with a crown on it, just because I guess there's like different tiers of like subscription, and you can, if you pay more, you get more emotes. So yeah, I wanted this one because this is like the most bushy one. So yeah, I did that little crown one. Yeah, I don't have that much to say about this. Forgive the simple, like the extra simple Sketchbook Sunday video. But I had fun drawing these, so I wanted to share them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.